Hi squad, how you guys doing? So I just got back from my son's school and my uncle decided to surprise us with all this goodness, all these vegetables. He was on his way coming from Jos, so he decided to surprise us. So guys, let me show you guys. Oh, God bless you, Uncle Jerry. Yellow pepper, green beans, plenty cabbage. Oh, this purple cabbage, I love it. So we have cauliflower. We have spring onions. I so much love spring onions. Celery, beetroot, green pepper, and cucumber. See, and plenty carrots. So we have plenty carrots now. All the way from Jos. God bless you, Uncle.